Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Tangaise with Disciples Escoffier Institute. Today we will prepare yellow ping yang chicken from Hong Kong with a supreme sauce, a garnish with a jardinière vegetable and truffle, and a classic riz pilaf. Why we do that today? First is a dish that I really have in my heart. This is a dish that my grandmother was making when I was a child on the weekend with the farm chicken that she raised, and a very typical classic French dish from Escoffier. I hope that the cooking and the method that we will show you today will give you the heart and the feeling to join this competition, and I hope to see you soon here with us with Disciples Escoffier for challenge yourself and to find a new goal in a French culinary path. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon. Everyone like this dish, and we'll give you some thought about joining the competition Cuisine Passion organized by Disciples Escoffier, and I will be glad to see you again on the competition and see what you are doing. Thank you for watching and see you soon.